Here I have CAT S61, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the display section, wallpaper, then you have to select if you want to set yourself one of the live wallpapers, but you will have to firstly download them from the internet. You can select one of the pre-installed wallpapers on device. As you can see, you have some of them here. Or you can just go to the My Photos and set any other downloaded from the internet image or the photo that you took with your camera as a wallpaper by just selecting this image here. Here you can adjust it and then tap Set Wallpaper. Then select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And after that, wallpaper will be changed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.